Never think that black people or Africans don't know their history or origin. Sorry if I'm sounding racist, but the truth must be told. Since time immemorial, people of African descent have used tribal marks, drumming, braided hairstyles, totems, tribal symbols and emblems to convey a message about their origin or identity. Africans use sounds made with flutes, animal horns and xylophones for communication. A traditional staff which represents power, authority, and the history of a family or tribal group often bears symbols or emblems that convey a message. Africans can communicate with one another by rubbing or striking the surfaces of two metals or two hollow objects against each other. Ancient Africans like the Akans of Ghana embedded their history in communication symbols, emblems, and totems. No matter how you falsify history, Africans had their own alphabets or communication symbols long before the popular Greek or English alphabets. Such symbols are known as Adinkra among the Akan people of Ghana. The Adinkra symbols are more commonly popularized by the Asantes, also known as Ashantis, of Ghana. Seated is a popular king in Ghana, the Asantehene, clad in Adinkra cloth. Oral history tells us that some ancient Akan families or clans, protected these Adinkra symbols as they migrated from ancient Mesopotamia to Egypt, Ethiopia, Sudan, Mali, and ultimately to present-day Ghana. To date, symbols that convey their history, lineage, or connection to nature still exist. Recently, new symbols have been added to the collection of Adinkra symbols, Otumfuo Ensa. It represents his Asantehene's gentle yet firm grasp of the Asante Kingdom's cultural heritage, as well as his visionary leadership and guidance. Two parallel hands, one pointing upward, the other downward, represent inclusivity and harmony between Asante culture and different cultures, both within and beyond Ghana. A staff, which embodies traditional authority and the Asantehene's significant role in cultural heritage preservation, has been added to the Adinkra collection. Adinkra symbols play a crucial role in upholding Akan culture and traditions. The symbols will continue to be an important part of Ashanti or Akan culture and heritage. Until next time, keep exploring history. It's closer than you think. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more powerful history. Drop a comment below.